Yo, what's up, YouTube? On my left here, I have a keyboard that has brown switches, and on my right, I have one that has blue switches. So I'm gonna be comparing them. So I prefer brown switches just because they're less quieter, as you can tell, they're less quieter, and they don't make as much noise as the blue switches do. And the blue switches are more clicky and more loud. And then the white ones, the white keyboard brown switches, they're not as loud, but you can feel the click though. You can feel like the click. And on the blue one, the click is way louder, like everything's more clicky. Spacebar. Spacebar. Okay. And then if you want a game on, if you want a game on a keyboard that's not too loud, I say you get brown switches or red switches. But if you like to hear the click, you get blue switches. Just way clickier. Oh yeah, the white one is a 60% keyboard, and the black one is 65% keyboard. This one has functions keys, and this one doesn't. I prefer brown, just more chill, more quieter. When you're gaming, you don't have to be hearing your keyboard all the time.